Hood classics. Hood classics.
Stack dough, yeah, we stack knots. Got it sealed like a padlock. On the front line, we stand off. Wrap around from no mascot. Life's a race like NASCAR. I might have not. Used to be a petty hustler, now I'm building enterprise for my city and my tribe. That's a landmark. Looking back at where we came from, just me and my day ones. Got it from the ground up the asphalt. We don't play none. Hit you up and spray, yeah. Leave a hater's brains on the dashboard. Dying young just to make it. Straight from the cradle to the grave. Man, my streets are a crash course. We rebound like a backboard. Risky years just to have more. Trapping trying to put our kids through a grad school. Cause that 9 to 5 ain't gon' pay for that road. The struggle is real. My tummy was clutching my ribs.
Hey, how you doing? This is Kareem Wins from Keeping It Real with Lefty. And we got another food review. Ha ha! Today, we are trying Monroes has a crazy sandwich. This is a honey bun chicken sandwich. Yes, folks, honey bun chicken sandwich. We got the fresh OJ. We had to go big or we had to go to FO. Sad day in America, but it is what it is. And then we got cornbread mac and cheese. Please believe it, please holler if you can't, then don't bother. Before I get started on the festivities, Monroes is a legendary chicken spot here in Arizona. They sell hot chicken sandwiches. I don't do spicy. Y'all know how I do. I keep it mild and, pimpelistic. So, with that said, we're going to try the mac and cheese, the sandwich, and of course we already know what orange juice tastes like. So we're going to try off first with the mac and cheese, okay? This is cornbread stuffing mac and cheese. You guys can see that. Guys can see that. Let me get one more before I tell y'all what I think. Guys, when I tell you that might be the best macaroni and cheese in Arizona history, I'm not lying to you. This is so cheesy, so rich, and the cornbread that they put on top of it just exceeds the dish. It takes the dish to the next level. Please believe it, please holler if you can't, don't bother. I gotta take another bite of this before I get into the sandwich. We also have some fries here, as you can see. Try a couple of these. The fries are alright, but they ain't real. Need ketchup, for sure. You know you got a good quality French fry when you don't need ketchup with it. Get this orange juice open. Shake it up. So the story with this orange juice is that I was trying to get a small orange juice, but I didn't think this was going to be enough. So I had to go big on big, go big or go home. Refreshing. Okay. Now let's get to the sandwich. Let's get to the sandwich, guys. This thing is massive. I don't even know where to bite this thing at. Here we go. Interesting. Interesting. Let me take another bite. I have to be honest here. Wow. Honey bun chicken sandwich sound real fly and jiggy. It doesn't really mesh well together. It doesn't mesh well like a waffle chicken sandwich. It's okay, but it doesn't mesh well. I want to eat both of these things, but I want to eat both of them separately. So with that said, the sandwich is okay, but would I buy it again? Probably not. Probably not. Nevertheless, the sandwich is big, it's filling, and let's be honest, the mac and cheese was the star of the show tonight. The mac and cheese shaved this whole trip. Because if not, holla if you can't, don't bother. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about honey bun chicken sandwich and how does it sound to you? Leave your comments in the comment section. And we'll see you in the next video. Shout out to Monroes. Go support them, black owned. They can at least give better customer service, but hey, you get what you get. You get what you get. Holla, if you can't, then don't bother. Ha ha!
None. Nah, I ain't with the games, none. No time to lay up. Gotta get this cake up. Yeah, I gotta get my pay up. Bet I make a way up. They said I couldn't, but I'm way up. Bet that I'ma get this paper. Grinding every day, just moving sevens in these H cuz. Gotta eat. Don't play none. Nah, don't play none. Nah, I ain't with the games, none. No time to lay up. Gotta get this cake up. Yeah, I gotta get my pay up. Bet I make a way up. They said I couldn't, but I'm way up. That's what real data. You wanna gotta take it in the field every day, cuz gotta eat.